If you're trying to use WPS on a Spectrum router, the process is fairly simple, but it's important to use it carefully for security reasons. Most Spectrum routers, including newer Wi-Fi 6 models, have WPS enabled by default or allow you to turn it on through the Spectrum app. The WPS button is usually located on the back, side, or front of the router, marked with a WPS label or Wi-Fi icon. Press and hold the button for about 2 to 5 seconds, which opens a short pairing window where compatible devices can connect automatically without entering a password. Once WPS is active, press the WPS button on the device you want to connect and wait for the connection to complete. However, WPS can create security risks because it may allow unauthorized access if left enabled. For better protection, disable WPS right after connecting your device by logging into the router settings through the Spectrum app or the router admin page and turning it off under wireless or advanced settings. Many users now prefer safer options like WPA3 passwords or QR code setup, which provide stronger network security while still being easy to use.